kids your age competing in the National Spelling Bee this week. What questions would you want to ask the judges to help you have a better chance of spelling it right?
How many vowels are in the word?
I don't think that's allowed.
Use it in a sentence.
Use it in a sentence. Check.
Well, they asked them what the word is, and then. Thank you.
Does Dad always do this?
Yes, always.
What question are you asking?
Put the word in a sentence. Oh, to you?
Not to me. This is not about me.
Does it have an E at the end?
It's always helpful.
Is it something that you can eat?
Can I use this word in my everyday vernacular without embarrassing myself?
Like the origin of the word.
These girls would do okay up on stage. They know what questions to ask.